Welcome to CNC Rapid. Take a look at the precision and quality of our CNC machined parts. We work with a wide range of materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, brass, copper, and high-performance plastics. Whatever your project needs, we deliver excellence. At CNC Rapid, we use advanced CNC machining technology to create high-precision parts with exceptional accuracy. Our machines handle complex designs and tight tolerances with ease. Aluminum is lightweight, strong, and widely used in industries like aerospace and electronics. Our precision machining ensures a flawless finish. Stainless steel offers excellent strength and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for medical, automotive, and industrial applications. Our CNC machines shape it with precision and care. Brass is ideal for electrical and decorative components. With its excellent machinability, we create detailed parts with a smooth finish. Copper is known for its high conductivity. Our expert machining techniques ensure precision for electrical and thermal applications. Plastics like POM and ABS are used in a variety of industries. CNC machining provides smooth edges and precise dimensions for every part. Every part we produce goes through strict quality control. Precision and reliability are our top priorities. Looking for high-quality CNC machining services? Contact CNC Rapid today. Like and subscribe for more CNC machining insights.